going, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial, and in this video I have a really cool effect for you guys. So you guys probably know the rapper called Lil Pump. He has a song that's called Flex Like, and in that video you see like a real small clip of like a cup with some liquid in it, and it's like changing colors. And obviously I cannot show too much of the clip in terms of copyright and everything. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to, simulate anything like that. If you are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below. And also guys, if you guys didn't know yet, Vegas Pro 16 is coming at the end of August. So if you are excited for that as well, make sure to let me know in the comments what you think will be new, in Vegas Pro 16, what's gonna be different. And also, we got a little new friend. So for everybody that did not follow me on Instagram yet, it is @JustAlexHalford. On my Instagram story, I just, post some stuff here and there, and check out who joined our family. As you can see, this is our little new friend. We got her, I think, like a little over a week ago, and she's just so cute. And now our other kitten that we got at first now has a little friend to play with, as you can see. So, mwah. But anyway guys, with that out of the way, let's get started with today's tutorial, and I would say I'll catch you guys right after the intro. Okay guys, now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, what we need to do, it is going to be pretty straightforward. Now before we're going to start, we need to create 3 video tracks. So I'm going to right click, insert video track, insert video track. So now that we have 3 video tracks, this is what we need. And you want to put the clip, as you can see, this is the preview that we're going to use. You need to put that one on the top and on the bottom. Now what we need to do is we're gonna mask out his hand, so we will make that color shape on his hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the event pen crop icon. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to click on mask at the bottom. We're gonna pick the anchor creation tool, and we wanna make sure that we are going to go ahead and mask out his hand. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and go around the hand of a Lil Pump, as you can see, or basically anybody or any object that you want to use for this effect. I'm just gonna use this one as an example. So that's what you want to do, and you want to make sure that you want to put the mode to negative, like that. So then we need to go ahead and move up 1 frame, and we need to adjust the mask. So we can just right click, you want to click on initialize targets, and you want to click on all. So now you want to hold left control. So now you can go ahead and drag it, and you can adjust it. So now you don't need to go ahead and, mask out his hand like entirely again. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just, as you can see, adjust this layer until it fits on his hand. And that's what we're gonna do for the entire clip. So I'm gonna speed up the, the camera or add in some music. So that is what we're gonna do right now. Okay guys, so now I got done masking, so the only thing what we need to do now left is basically drag in an awesome like light leak that's like flashing colors, so we can make his hand flash like that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and drag that in. Right, so this is it, and if I go ahead and cut it right here, this is what it looks like. But as you guys can see, you cannot really see through it, so we're gonna lower the opacity. Just hold your mouse on this little line, lower it, and this is the end result. So that's how to do it, guys, and this is how to create that awesome effect. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram. It is @JustAlexHalford for special updates about Vegas 16 and our little kitten and just personal stuff that I do outside of YouTube. So that's it. Thank you so much for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in a brand new video. Obviously tomorrow about channel reviews. Is your channel gonna be up next tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.